Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm going to be making crispy salt and chili chicken wings. This is one of my favourite things to order from the Chinese takeaway. I just think it's so much better if you make it yourself. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do that today. Just before I crack on with the video, I just want to say as well, if you have been watching my videos and you are enjoying them, and you are liking my recipes, if you could please just hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It would really mean a lot to me, or even if you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. It just means you'll not miss out on any of my future recipes. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's get cracked on with the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare our chicken wings. Okay, so what we'll do is, first of all, if you just remove the little wing tip, you don't need that. You can either get rid of those or you can put those in a stock or whatever you want, but today we don't need those. And then we're just going to cut the wing in half, just straight through the socket. Okay, and that's our chicken wings cut. Okay, so before we cook our chicken wings, we're going to coat them in some corn flour. That's what gets them nice and crispy. Now just before we do that, the next stage is we're going to just marinate up our chicken wings. This will also help the flour stick to the chicken. So what we'll do is we'll go in first with some, I've got some crushed garlic here, in with that. I've got some soya sauce, probably about maybe a tablespoon of soya sauce. Some honey. Again, probably about a tablespoon. And I've got one egg that I've just beaten up. Go in with that. Then we'll just give that a good mix up with our hands. Okay, so once that's all mixed up, we can just put that to the side and get ready for the next stage. Okay, so the next stage is we're going to coat our chicken wings in some corn flour. Then we're going to fry these. So what I would say is if you don't have a fryer, you can use a pot of oil, that's fine, but just make sure the oil isn't above about 170, because the idea is we're going to cook these all the way through, and if the oil's too hot, what tends to happen is the chicken kind of burns on the outside and doesn't cook properly on the inside, so you want it at a kind of steady heat. So I'm setting mine about just under 170. So what we'll do is we'll get these coated in the flour. Okay, and it's also important now to make sure you shake off the excess flour. I don't want too much flour going in the oil. Just shake off as much as you can. Okay, so now we're going to cook these for about 8 minutes. These will take about 8 minutes in here. Okay, so get them in our oil. Okay, so while we're waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm just going to show you some of the vegetables we've got for the next stage. Okay, so we've got some sliced red pepper here, some sliced white onion. I've got some chilies, a mixture of chilies here, red and green. Obviously, if you like this more hotter, you just add more chilies. I've got about 3 cloves of garlic here, which has been chopped up. I've also got some Chinese 5-spice, salt and pepper, and at the very end, I'm going to garnish with some spring onions. Okay, so that's our chicken wings cooked, so we can just take these out of here, put them on a tray and put them to the side. Okay, so now we're just going to cook our veg. So we'll go in first with some oil. I'm using a wok for this, it's best. If you haven't got a wok, just obviously a big pan, but if you have, great, go in with a wok. Some oil. And we'll go in first with our chilies, garlic, then I'm going with our onions. peppers. And next I'm going to go with some Chinese spice. Not too much, maybe half a tablespoon. Then just a little bit of salt, pepper. Okay, and now we can just go in with our chicken wings. Give us a good mix up. And there you have it, that's your crispy salt and chili chicken wings. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this recipe a go and feel free to let me know how you got on in the comments section, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.